I'm gonna break this messy bun down for those of you who still can't do it. Step one, let's get the motion down. We're gonna use a scrunchie because it's the easiest thing to use, but you could use any hair tie. Honestly, they all work. I just find a scrunchie is the easiest. So you're gonna take your hair. First, we're gonna practice making a ponytail. When we make a ponytail, we pull our hair through, we twist our ponytail, and we pull our hair back through, and we have a ponytail, right? Right. When we do the bun, we're doing the same motion. We're gonna pull our ponytail over, but this time we're not gonna pull the hair all the way through. We're gonna leave it. And then we're just gonna twist the hair again, the ponytail again, like we're gonna make a ponytail, but you wanna take the hair with you when you twist the ponytail. Or if you find that difficult, twist the ponytail, then grab the hair and flop it over. So you've still got your fingers through, and now you just reach down, grab the top of this ponytail that you've already done, and pull everything down, and then you can just fluff out your bun until you like the way it looks. Honestly though, it is easier if you just do it in fast motion. Once you get that motion down, I swear to you, it is like nothing. You don't even think about it, and you just get such a cute, fluffy ponytail every single time.